Hey guys, this is Teacher Elo and I'm here to explain prefixes. So today we will learn different prefixes with re, on, pre, and over. We will learn new words today and practice the new words with prefixes. First question, what is a prefix? A prefix is a small piece or affix that is placed before a word to create a new meaning. For example, this word here, resend, it has the prefix re. Those are the first two letters at the beginning. That's the prefix. And it's going to change the word. We know send means to take something or move it. Resend means to do it again. So let's look at re. The meaning is again or back. And some examples are revisit, visit again, rebuild, build again, return, go back. Okay, so when we use re, the word changes and the idea is again or back. Un is another prefix. The meaning is it reverses the meaning of the word. It makes the word go back into the original form. So for example, undo means not do. Untie means remove the tie. Unable means not able or cannot. Okay, next one is pre. Pre means before. Before. For example, pre-test means a test before. Prehistoric is before history, and pre-order is order before. Okay, and the next one is over. Okay, this prefix means too much, like extra. For example, oversleep, sleep too much. Overwork, work too much. Overeating, eat too much. Okay, and we see the words too much. That means negative. Okay, so anytime you see too much, it has a negative feeling. So oversleep means you sleep too much and it's a problem. Overwork means you work too much and maybe you're tired or you don't feel good. And overeating, same thing, it's negative. Maybe you have a stomach problem now. Okay, so how can prefixes help you learn new words? So when you study prefixes, you learn that first part of the word, which will help you find different words. So you learn the prefix first, and then you check which words use it. So for example, the word undo means do not do or return, but unbig doesn't make sense. That's not correct. So you have to check which words can you use the prefixes. And the last one means you can quickly learn new words with only understanding the prefixes. It opens up a lot of new words and new opportunities for you. And I think that is so fast. You will learn words so fast. Alright, so let's do a quiz, some practice questions. You have some words here with prefixes and 4 sentences So I will give you 5 seconds to match the correct word with the sentence. Okay, so I hope you paused the video and have your answers. So now I will give you the answers. Number 1, Tanya has a stomachache. She overate. Okay, so again, overeating or overate means a problem with the eating. Number 2, I can't go to the office. I'm unable to drive today. Okay, this one, I can't go, means not able. It's not possible. So we have to use unable. Number 3, I want to go to Miami again. I want to revisit the beaches. Okay, this one we see the word again, so that helps me understand. It means revisit. And number 4, these fossils are very old. They are prehistoric. So they are from before history, from a very long time ago. Okay, so I hope you've learned something new today. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this. And every week I send you one new video about English. So thank you for your time.